What are they?
One is a
What?
genie
Yeah, from.
from
You've watched it before? Shimmer.
in Shine.
Yeah.
And I got another one from Shine Man Shine, but it's a unicorn pack, so we open it.
I'm gonna open that one.
No, you open this big one.
I can't open it.
So I've opened it. I just opened this one.
Right, calm down.
That one's too fast to open.
Right, try and open them.
Oh, okay, I can do this.
Live unboxing.
I think I'm going to spot to open it.
No.
I couldn't knife.
No, you're not going to fall it.
I'm going to get him out. Yeah, it's for mine now.
Jack.
Whoa!
What have we got in?
Genie. Oh, Weedy. And a unicorn.
So yours are teeny genies, are they?
Oh yeah, Genie jeans. Come here, come here.
You can see it. Can she sit on? Whoa.
Oh, Jack! Good job! I'm so proud! I'm so proud of you! Look at them stickers! I can get them out.
No, but you have got them.
Is it stuck?
Yes, fly! I can get this one.
You know we knife?
Nope.
Yes, please.
Nope. No knives.
Then why you can't
Frog. I got brush.
Hi,
I
Frog.
got brush.
Yeah, wait there, guys.
Daddy, I have more in my bedroom.
Oh yay!
Oh.
And I got more in my bedroom too. Hi guys, these is the stuff. And look, we got all this. And look,
I need to get some from upstairs.
So that's Shine from Shimmer and Shine. Can I see it? What do we do?
Yeah.
So can our shoes come off?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm doing something. Oh, we do not have a frog later. Look.
Oh. What the? What did you do that for?
That is the end of the film. Me, I doing.
Shimmer and Shine. See you down. Oh, Shimmer and Shine. Hello, Roxy, get away from me. Ooh. Don't come near me, silly dog, or I'll kick you. Get away from me. Don't you look at that.